Hey guys, and welcome back to HGTV Handmade with me, Marianne. As executive producer of HGTV Handmade, I've decided to turn the channel into an ASMR slime channel, starting with this amazing snow slime. Just kidding. Hey guys, it's me, Marianne. But I'm not kidding about the slime. I'm gonna show you how to make this awesome snow slime. My kids are obsessed with this stuff, and so is apparently the world, because it's like really hard to find liquid starch right now. Have you noticed? And glue? Who knew? Why don't you guys watch this and see how we made this delectable slime that's so good for poking. I mean, guys, I'm kind of feeling the slime thing. What about you? Why don't you let me know in the comments down below. Are you guys making a ton of slime right now? You watching all those slime channels? My kids can't get enough of guava juice and his bathtub slime challenges. It's like an everyday occasion in my house right now. I'm gonna set that down and talk to you. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are feeling this slime trend or if you are super over it. I'm gonna be over here just playing with some slime. Maybe I'll start a separate YouTube channel. Just Marianne slime videos. I'll see you guys next time.